Welcome back to the JDM factory. Today we're heading into Lakeside Raceway for All Asian Day. So far, a bit of a turnout. I've never seen this before coming into Lakeside. Not that I've been to too many events. I'm with my mate Matt from Kyushu Garage. Probably going to get grilled for pronouncing that wrong. In his sweet little AW11. He's got like all the factory Toyota options you can think of. It's a really, really nice car. And also Mitchy from Suny Coast Auto Detailing. Mitchy gave the car a bit of a freshen up yesterday. Mitch was originally the guy who detailed it first.
He's all glossed up, right?
Yeah, and yesterday Arvo, we gave it a quick little polish. We're going for that show and shine entry. So the old Ferrari is pretty much exactly the same as we left off since the build, bar I have added some big end barrels, Enki big end barrels, so they're 15x8 pos 5 rather than the 14 Equipo ones I had on there previously. So all Asian Day, bit of a cruise and kind of a race, kind of a show and shine and cruise session today. And Mitchy said, hey, it's a good idea to get a for sale sign. So we did the old Bunnings run last night and got the for sale sign. So I'm going to put this up on the car and hopefully I can sell it today. Fingers crossed.
We might have to Uber home, bro.
Yeah, get some cash. I've actually got transfer papers in the car from another car that I sold in this car spares, so we'll get a quick roadworthy done over the phone. The old phone worthy.
I know a guy.
Hell yeah. So I'm keen for today. The MR2 is a fun car to drive. It's not fast by all means, but
not with me sitting in it anyway.
It's come on, don't be like that, Mitchy. It's still fun, and revving it out on the track up against someone else, even like next to Matt and his A-dub, I think it'd be really cool. So keen for a good day, show you guys some cool JDM cars, and hopefully walk away with a pocket full of cash.
Shout me lunch, bro.
Yeah. What do you want? Hot dog from the stall. All right, what a turnout this has been. I've never been to one of these All Asian Days before. Crazy, there's so many cars, some really, really cool cars. I just bumped into the Hoff before. He's in this Supra, and also he's got a mate that's driving his 86, which is pretty cool. And another fan, Jordan, gave me his cruise ticket for number 3. So I've got cruise sessions 6, 7, 8. Not too sure if I'm going to hang around all day. I don't want to drive in that mud. Mitch, you'll kill me, wouldn't you? So just gonna, yeah, we'll wait it out. I'll see what happens during the day, but I'm gonna walk around with the GoPro and show you some cars, because there's some really, really, really awesome cars here today. It's absolutely great. I'm absolutely loving it. All right, just snuck a little spot in here in the carport. Got the old for sale sign up on the back of it. If I'm able to sell this thing today, I'm gonna be absolutely stoked. What do you reckon, Mitchy? Do you reckon I can be able to sell it?
I reckon our hopes are high. We're gonna get it.
Yeah. There's a cruise session on at the moment. They just did a JDM Legends cruise, and now we've got number 3. Oh, look at this guy here. Hey, hey. We've got a sticker from 3, 6, 7, and 8. So that's our cruise session to Sabo. We'll wait around. We'll see what happens anyway. And I'll wait for some bites on the for sale. Let's go check out some cars while we're here in the pits. There's some awesome stuff hanging around. Plot twist, the 32's got a 1JZ. Tidy engine bay, nice slow mount down there. Really well done, looks neat. This guy's doing the same thing, selling his Bluebird. Got his number there. Tidy RX-5, they're a bit of the ugly duckling of the Mazdas, but I love them. A nice hat, mate. You like it? Hell yeah. Still a Mitsubishi fan at heart. Check out that L300. All Asian Day, get at ya. late 60s, you reckon, Mitchy? Almost bought one of these. Then I bought another cram which no one knows about. The old bin chook. Coming soon, 2025. Found Logan's 1200, but I haven't found Logan yet. That looks sweet as. That looks awesome. One, because they're cool, and two, because it's relevant. Gotta love an old Skyline. It's such a nice car. I think mine's better than that, sorry. Is that you, Sonny? Why didn't you come and say hi? That's not you. You didn't have cool wheels on yours. What do you reckon? 25 grand, mate. Take it away.
You're selling it, dude.
Take it away.
I'll watch this car be built.
I'll give you a DVD with the whole video series. DVDs are extinct now, god dang.
I can't believe you're selling it.
So mate, I've only got 2 seats, sorry mate.
Look at me, I'll fit in the back. How are you, mate?
Good man, how you going?
Yeah, good. Having a good day or what?
Yeah, good. We actually just lined up in the VIP area thinking, sweet, I'll be first out on track, and
Missed it.
I cooked it. We're meant to be lining up over here, so just move out of the way, man.
Nice.
Yep, thank you. Heading out on track. I'd actually love to take this thing around here full. It's a scary track though. Wonder if that GoPro behind's going to pick up some of the dorts. I want to line something up that I know I might have a potential go with, and also someone I can go back to first, because second low down is nothing. It's got to clutch it. But ride the clutch, you reckon? Starting off. Give me a head start. Give me a head start. Yeah. Anything turbo is going to smoke me, I know that. It's a cool addition to events like this, rather than just being a general show and shine or something. They actually get out on track and enjoy the car. There is some sweet cars. Is that a 73 wagon? 62 wagon is it behind me? Get the sunscreen in my eyes.
There's our run, man. That's our run.
Well, there's a little Honda here too.
Ah, the Bluebird.
Hey!
Hey!
Is it fast? Is that fast? Oh, my eyes are stinging from the sunscreen. He got the jump on me! He's got me! My eyes are stinging right now. I've literally got a tear coming from behind.
Here's the Shamos.
Where's the Jimmy?
There's the Shamos.
I'm crying because I lost a race. This thing's really cool. It's sick. I would own the hell out of that thing. Wouldn't mind running this new 86 FT power. But I saw one in the pits that had a Harrop supercharger on it before, so I hope it's not that one. Hasn't got a heat exchanger there, so.
Another P plate of
Could be. Hey mate.
Love your shit.
Thanks mate.
I got SW20.
Sick. Do you want to buy this? It's for sale.
Huh?
It's for sale.
I'm broke, too many cars.
Doing a race, yeah?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Pigs?
Yeah. Have I got him? Got him. No! Oh, pretty even race. Man, this would be a hard track to come fast. Maybe I'll do that one day. Come out here at a track day. See how I go. That was a sick race.
That was good too.
So if you own an 86, that's how fast the MR2 is. Cool car, man.
G-Map.
I'm not going to G
Yeah,
up. You'll
G-Map.
smoke me.
Oh well.
I'm guessing it's pretty fast, eh? Yeah. We'll go to 86. In 86, yes! She had a few people in the car, that's why.
She was changing CDs, bro.
Hey! Oh, what? It's left hook!
Wow.
Oh, it's a 510 too. It's a two-door. Sweet. Hey!
We're on. Doing it for mum, bro.
Couple of races under the belt there. Not bad. Well, it makes me realise that the MR2 really isn't that slow compared to some other cars. It just feels slow.
You might get him, bro.
Thanks, mate. Say he likes it. This thing with the turbo, I reckon, would be really fast. Give me your engine, mate. Mitch has got an AE82 that he's building he's built a blacktop 20 valve with a, what is it, 2870 is it? What is it?
GDX 2867R, yeah.
Yeah, nice. So, lots of good goodies on that thing.
All the fruit.
It'll be a super fast car. I hate that saying, all the fruit.
Doesn't have all the fruit yet.
What kind of fruit are we talking about though? Like watermelon, pineapple, apples, grapes, yeah? Seedless grapes or what, you know? Green, red?
I reckon we'll have a few better runs on the next one, eh? All these fast cars are coming earlier.
You reckon wait till the Arvo? Man, I'm quite keen to go home.
I'm easy, man.
I'm keen for like a bunning snag and then hit it. I don't even do bunning snags anymore, man. Can we go from really slow? You got traction control and anyway, don't you? Aircon, the whole works. Give me a run. Let me go. Oh, there was second. teeth off second gear, no worries.
Trying to earn your gearbox, mate.
I've got a spare, so that's alright. They're a really nice car. I love an ISF, that'd be sweet. Comfortable, fast,
Red leather too.
good looking, yeah.
That's us, bro.
Alright, that's going to wrap up the day. We've come off the track, had a couple of yarns, and now we're going to head home. What do you reckon, pub feed or something?
Okay.
Go for a pub feed somewhere. Awesome day on the track today. Had a few good races, won some, lost some, but it's all fun anyway. No hits on the selling of the MR2 just yet, so if you want to buy it, let me know. Instagram's the best point of contact. And no, I won't take $5 grand. Let's be realistic here, especially with current pricing of everything. So thanks for watching today's episode. If you do enjoy this kind of content, let me know. I had fun coming down here today and making it, so if you want to see more of this event kind of stuff, let us know in the comments section. If you want to support the show, hit us up on the website www.thefactoryofskids.com/AW11. Lots of merchandise going on there. Also got a Patreon page for ad-free videos and exclusive perks. So thanks for watching again. We'll see you next time. See you next week. I don't know when this is going to come out, so I've got no idea what's happening next week, and/or could be a midweek episode. Who knows? Thanks for watching again. See you next time. Cheers.